Hello everyone, today I will show you how to find nearby people on Snapchat. And here's how it is done. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your phone. You will land on the camera screen. From there, tap your profile icon located in the top left corner. This will take you to your profile page, where you can view and edit your details. Scroll down and locate the Snap Map section, then tap on it. You will see Bitmoji avatars representing friends nearby. To access more features, tap the icon just below the globe. This allows you to manage who can view your location or choose to hide it from others. You can also explore activity by tapping on hotspots in the Snap map. These reveal public stories posted in those areas. By following these simple steps, you can easily discover people nearby on Snapchat. And that's everything you need to know about how to find nearby people on Snapchat. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.